How to buy Bitcoin in Coinbase. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bitcoin now, and today I'll guide you on how you can buy Bitcoin in Coinbase or the Coinbase wallet. Now the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, what you want to do is you want to open up your Coinbase application, or on the browser you can head into coinbase.com. Once you're there, you'll find the buy and sell tab. You want to tap on it and then you want to select buy. Now in my case, I'm not logged in, but you can see what buy option looks like. You want to simply tap on the plus icon or the buy icon, and there you'll get the list of options. There you want to select the particular asset that you would like to buy. If you want to buy Bitcoin, simply select Bitcoin, and once you select it, you'll get the buy option. There you want to simply tap on buy, or there it'll ask you to select the particular amount that you'd like to buy, and once you tap on it, then select buy and go ahead and go through the prompts, adding the details, and you'll be good to go. So this way you can buy Bitcoin in Coinbase. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.